Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day during quarantine. We actually just got a shelter in place put into effect and it starts tonight. But I don't know, I was just sitting in class. I'm actually like in my online class and she gave us a break, and I just thought it'd be interesting to film what I eat in a week. So this morning, I'm not gonna lie, I was low-key really lazy and did not feel like making any breakfast. I don't know, I've been like having trouble going to sleep early, and like I just was not in the mood to get up and make breakfast. I literally just wanted to lay in bed all morning before my class started. So sorry if you can hear my brothers and my cousin outside, they're wild. Anyways, I was too lazy to make breakfast this morning, so I had a Go Macro bar. I had asked on my Instagram, like, I want to say like 2 or 3 weeks ago what kind of protein bar I should get, and I got this one. It's the Go Macro bar, and this one is in mocha chocolate chip. I don't know, I really like them. If you're vegan or gluten free, or like you can't eat gluten intolerant, whatever, that they're that, and I really like them. They taste really good, and it doesn't taste artificial, and it doesn't taste like straight up protein, and I hate that about protein bars. So I really like these. They're like crack for me. I buy them every week, and I think I want to go on their website and buy just like a giant box to have in my house because they're so good. I eat them as like snacks. Anyways, and then I poured a big glass of water, and I just had that within like the first hour of class. It's a 3-hour lecture, so I have another 2 hours to go, but I just decided I'm gonna make a traditional breakfast as my lunch. So yeah, I just wanted to preface that. But if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. I've been obsessed with my Instagram feed, and I feel like I've just like put in so much work, and I'm just so proud of myself. I think I'm gonna film a how I edit my Instagram picture video this week and have that up probably on Sunday, because I think this is gonna go up before that one. But anyways, just wanted to come on here and tell you guys what I had this morning. Oh, and I also took my like hair vitamins. Jonathan's mom actually gave these to me. They're, I don't know how to pronounce that, but these are the hair vitamins I've been taking. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I took the Vital Proteins one, and I really like those. And they made them in pill form, because I used to put it in my coffee, but they made them in pills, which is like so much, I don't know, more ideal, because the powder I had to put in coffee, so if I didn't have coffee then I wouldn't take it. So the pills are a lot more ideal if you want another one. I think they have them at Target, and it was like 300 and like something pills, which is crazy. Anyways, and it was like $30 for like 300 something pills, which is not bad at all. But I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna go back to class, and I will talk to you guys during lunchtime. So I'm about to make myself a little breakfast burrito, although it's like noon and it's lunchtime. But I wanted to show you guys this bread really quick. The bread that I usually get is like out of stock, and I just like don't have the energy to like go to the store or the Cracker Barrel just to get this bread. It's not that deep. But this is the bread that I got. It's the Dave's Killer bread, and I did the 21 whole grain seed, and I actually really like it. It's a little bit sweeter than the bread that I usually get, but it's actually really good. So I'm gonna cook and just time lapse this. I'm putting you guys on my toaster, so hopefully you stay up. Like to take the excess oil off of my bacon before I eat it, because I don't know why, just like feeling the grease come out just is like not the vibe. So sorry you guys aren't even like looking at it, but I just like pat it down on a piece of paper, then I'm gonna put it on there. So I was still a little bit hungry after my burrito, so I just made a slice of toast with some butter on it. We don't have like any avocados or anything, so I couldn't make like avocado toast, so I just put butter on it and call it a day. But I forgot this morning to drink my lemon water. I've been trying to get back into a routine of drinking lemon water every morning. You guys know I did it I think it was last summer, I was drinking lemon water every morning, but I just completely forgot today. But that would also have been something that I would have had this morning for breakfast. And my dog just got out, so BRB, I gotta go let this boy back in. Okay, so it's dinner time, and I'm going to be making tacos because it's Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. Has anyone else seen the video with LeBron and his kids? And he's like, it's Taco Tuesday.
You know what it is! It's Taco Tuesday! Bryce, what is it?
Taco Tuesday!
Zari, what is it?
Taco Tuesday!
Yeah, that's what it is. And his little girl is so cute. Anyways, things are falling. So I didn't really go shopping for this. I just decided that I wanted to get tacos, and I bought tortillas yesterday. So I'm just gonna make do with what we have and see what we can come up with. But I'm just going to set you guys up on the tripod, and we're going to fast forward through this. Just a little trick if you're someone who sucks at cooking rice. My mom always taught me that you can cook your rice in the oven. You just let it boil on the stove, and then once it starts boiling, you stick it in the oven, and it does the work for you. So just a little tip for those of you who struggle cooking rice. Hi everyone. I'm not even gonna act like it's the same day because it's definitely a different day. It's the next day, but last night I was kind of in a rush. Today's actually my mom's birthday, and so last night I was rushing to like get last minute stuff for her, and obviously we're in quarantine, so that was kind of hard. Everything's closing early, so anyways, I wanted to share the ice cream that I've been obsessed with because I have a sweet tooth every day, all day long, and this is the ice cream that I've been eating lately. Jonathan actually bought this, and it is the Creamy Creations. This is their birthday cake ice cream. We went to HEB and I wanted to get chocolate chip cookies. The Nestle chocolate chip cookies are my favorite, like store-bought chocolate chip cookies to make, and they were out. Like literally the entire row of like cookie dough was gone, and so I was super upset because I was craving chocolate, obviously. So he picked up the birthday cake ice cream, and I've been obsessed with it. It's what I eat all the time. I eat it at night for like a dessert, but I wanted to share that with you guys really quick before I ended off this video. If you guys made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the meals that I made, although they're not like that healthy, honestly, we're in quarantine. We might as well enjoy the food we're eating because we're stuck inside, so who cares about eating healthy right now? But there are some days, like today, I was like, I could really use some like vegetables. So I actually went to Sprouts, I think it was like 2 days ago, and I made celery juice. So in moderation is okay, but yeah, that's the ice cream I've been eating. And you know, just enjoy yourself while you can. This is like kind of a force for you to slow down and just enjoy life a little bit more. Although like you're stuck inside, like just enjoy the people that you're around. If you're not around anyone, call people. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one.